Hey guys, welcome back to another upload video. And this video is gonna be a tutorial on how to replace the battery on an iPhone 4, not the 4S. So without further ado, let's just get right into this one. Alright, so first off, we're gonna remove the two flip-flop screws on your iPhone. Next, when you've done that one, we're just gonna remove the one screw on your battery. Next, try it out with a knife or something if it is sticky. Next, here as you can see I bought a new battery from the local store and it's pretty nicely packaged. So, trying to plug it in, I guess. So I had to bend it, as this is not bent already. But hanging and stuff like that, I got it all done. That's it. This is how you can replace your iPhone 4 battery. And just like that, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram for science videos for YouTube. And some stuff that don't make it to YouTube. Just like that. I hope you like this. See you in the next video of mine. Peace.